Okay, the macaroni and cheese is done. What I did while it was in the oven, I added a little bit more cheddar cheese on top. So I'm about to take it out because it's done. Ooh. And let me show you how nice that looks. That looks really good. Look at that. Mm-hmm. The ribs still cooking, so we have to wait for those. They get nice and brown. They're getting there. I like for my ribs. I like to take my time with my ribs. You see, they're almost done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn over my ribs while y'all look at the macaroni and cheese because it's so good. All right, everything looking good. I'm gonna close the oven door, push that back. And so we're just gonna go ahead and wait. So in the meanwhile, I'm just gonna sit my macaroni and cheese over there, and we're gonna go ahead and make the barbecue sauce. Okay? Okay. So I have my bowl, got my brush. So I'm gonna be using Sweet Baby Ray's, excuse me, barbecue sauce. I ran out of barbecue sauce, so I had to go buy some more. So this is how I like to do mine, y'all. I just like to put it in a bowl. About I'm gonna use a half a bottle of this. Because you want to make sure that your sauce, you make enough sauce so it can be covered in barbecue sauce, so it can be juicy and have that full flavor. Then I'm going to add my Thai style sweet chili sauce. And then I'm going to add one more thing. I'm going to add the remainder of my hickory smoked sauce. How many times you open up a barbecue sauce, y'all guys, and when you can't get all of it out, you'll put the top on, let it sit for a few more minutes. I do that. I do that a lot. I just let it drain to the bottom a little bit more, so I take it and put it in an area that can hold it. Then I'm just going to add a little garlic powder. Garlic is so good for you. It really is. A little accent, not much. And see what I mean? My daughter, she moves everything. And I'm going to add just a little cayenne pepper. Just a little bit. Okay, and that's it. I'm just going to take my brush and I'm just going to mix it up. And that's it. It's nothing, not a big deal. This is how I make my sauce. Everybody make their sauce different, but this is how I make mine. I just keep it simple. Some things are just not meant to be like over the top. And that's very good. It's very smoky. And that's what I'm trying to get. It's very, very smoky. Tastes so good. Tastes really good. So now that we have our macaroni and cheese done, our greens are done. Well, they was already done. I just had to heat them up. And we have our ribs in the oven. Stephanie has some white rice. And as soon as the ribs brown a little bit more, we're gonna go ahead and take our barbecue sauce and we're gonna go ahead and put them over our ribs. And that's it. And we'll be back with the final results.